Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you in-depth, no-nonsense reviews of the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're checking out the Ultenic Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner, a 3-in-1 cordless vacuum mop combo designed to tackle everything from dry messes to stubborn wet spills. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle it all with less hassle, stick around as we explore how this model stands up to the demands of real-world cleaning. The Ultenic Wet-Dry Vacuum is all about efficiency. It's a vacuum, mop, and wash system rolled into one, aiming to save you time and effort with every clean. You've got the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously, meaning less back and forth, and it comes with a built-in self-cleaning feature that automatically cleans the brush rollers, so you don't have to worry about them getting clogged up or dirty. In theory, this should keep the vacuum in tip-top shape with minimal maintenance. Now that's a big win for anyone who's ever had to scrub out a vacuum after a messy session. The smart mess detection is another cool feature. It adjusts the suction power depending on the type of mess, whether it's dry debris or liquid spills. That means no streaks left behind when drying floors, even when there's liquid involved. In terms of performance, the Ultenic is fairly lightweight at just under 9.5 pounds, making it easy to carry from room to room, even upstairs. The self-propelled brush roller makes maneuvering even easier, taking the strain off your wrist and giving you more control over tight spaces and corners. Plus, the digital LED display is a nice touch, showing battery status, cleaning mode, and reminders for things like when to charge or refill the water tank. You'll also get voice prompts, which are a convenient addition if you're busy cleaning and don't want to constantly check the screen. It's got a solid 50-minute runtime on a full charge, so you're not stuck recharging halfway through your cleaning session. It's a decent runtime for a device that does this much work. However, depending on your home's size, you may find yourself needing to recharge if you're tackling larger spaces or multiple messes. When it comes to handling messes, this vacuum does a decent job on various floor types. Whether it's a quick sweep over hard floors or a deeper clean for sticky messes, the Ultenic adjusts suction power accordingly. It's great for families with kids and pets, as it picks up both dry debris and wet spills with ease. That's especially useful if you've got pets that tend to shed or little ones who make accidental spills. But keep in mind, while it's fantastic at cleaning up liquid messes, it's not quite as effective at picking up heavy debris on thick carpet, so you might need a backup for deep carpet cleaning if that's a priority. The dual tank design is a standout feature. Separating clean and dirty water tanks ensures that you're always using fresh water to clean, which is crucial for hygiene, especially when mopping floors. The self-cleaning system that kicks in with the push of a button is also a great feature, saving you from the chore of manually scrubbing the rollers. However, depending on how much you use it, you might find the water tanks need to be refilled more frequently than expected. It's a minor issue, but worth considering if you have a large area to clean in one go. Now let's talk about some of the strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, the Ultenic Wet-Dry Vacuum has great suction power, a very lightweight design, and an intuitive digital interface. The fact that it can handle both wet and dry messes without leaving streaks is definitely a plus for homes with kids or pets. The self-propelled brush roller makes cleaning effortless, and the self-cleaning feature is a game changer for convenience. On the downside, it's not perfect. The vacuum's suction power, while decent on hard floors, can struggle a little with deep cleaning on carpets, especially thicker rugs. The battery life is solid, but might fall short for larger homes or multiple cleaning tasks in one go. The dual tank system is handy, but you'll need to refill it if you're cleaning larger areas. In terms of value for money, it's hard to argue against the convenience this vacuum offers. The combination of vacuuming and mopping makes it a time saver for those who want to tackle both types of messes at once. However, if you're someone who needs heavy-duty carpet cleaning or deep suction power, you might want to consider a dedicated vacuum model for those tasks. Compared to other vacuums in this category, the Ultenic stands out for its smart mess detection and its self-cleaning function. But if you're primarily concerned with deep carpet cleaning, alternatives like Dyson or Shark might be better choices. If we're comparing it to a similar vacuum like the Bissell Crosswave or the Shark Vac Mop, the Ultenic fares well with its 3-in-1 functionality, offering more versatility for a similar price. While those models are great for quick pickups, they don't provide the same level of self-cleaning convenience or smart detection system that the Ultenic offers. That said, the Bissell and Shark models might have better suction for carpets, so there's a trade-off. When it comes to build quality, the Ultenic feels solid, with a good balance of lightweight and sturdy construction. The materials used don't feel flimsy, and the brush roller and tank design are practical and easy to maintain. The self-cleaning system works well, and the voice prompts and digital display make it user-friendly. It's also easy to clean and maintain, which is a huge plus. The filters are washable, and the brush roller doesn't get too tangled with hair, which makes maintenance a lot easier. As for longevity, we're looking at a product that's built to last, though we don't have any long-term data yet. If you take good care of it and follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions, this should hold up well over time. The battery is decent, but like any cordless model, you'll likely see some gradual degradation in runtime after a year or two, so keep that in mind. In terms of customer support, there hasn't been much need for interaction, but Ultenic generally has a decent reputation for customer service, offering warranty support and troubleshooting help through their website. To wrap up, the Ultenic Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile, easy-to-use vacuum mop combo. It's perfect for households with kids and pets, and it does a fantastic job cleaning both wet and dry messes without leaving streaks. While it might not be the best option for heavy-duty carpet cleaning, it offers good value for those primarily dealing with hard floors or lighter messes. Its self-cleaning feature and smart mess detection are standout attributes, making it a unique option in this price range. If you're looking for something that combines mopping and vacuuming in one go, the Ultenic might just be the perfect fit for your home. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinside TV. If you have any questions or experiences with the Ultenic, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!